Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for returning for another video with me. So today I have some cleaning motivation for you guys, and as always I hope that it gets you up and going to get some things done around your home. As always, I will be sure to have all of the products listed down in the description box, so definitely check there if you all are interested. I did want to share with you guys a very realistic day for me of cleaning before and after work. Some days I do get to go in a little bit later than others to work, so I do like to take advantage of the time that I have. I am literally still in my pajama top. I put on some leggings for the sake of this video, but guys, normally I am doing this straight up in my pajamas. I pulled my hair up, washed my face, got my cup of coffee, and I am in it to win it. I do want to mention that I do set an alarm if I have to go to work when I am cleaning, just so that I can get to a stopping point to have enough time for me to get something to eat and get ready for work. I have had times where I was just cleaning, got into the zone, and then I was running late. So setting an alarm is key when I'm doing this. So I hope that you guys enjoy. I hope that it motivates you to get some things done before and after work, because I know that if you work, getting housework done can be a chore, and finding the time to do everything can be sometimes difficult. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. And as always, if this is your first time here, then hello, welcome. My name is Nina, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. If you are a returning squad member, then welcome back, squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell before you leave so that you get alerts each and every time I upload. Let's just get started, guys.
Where can I find your love? 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 Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? 2 years and you never said a word. No, in 2 hours and now we said it all. You know we don't wanna fall in love again. Oh no, just think about what we did. It never worked, no.
Guys, I absolutely love the days that I do get to go into work a little bit later. It gives me the opportunity to get editing done, cleaning done, recording done, or even go to the gym. I do like to take advantage of that time. I could be just chilling out, relaxing, but I love to take advantage of the time that I have in the day. And it's nothing like coming home to a clean house after a long day of work. I know somebody's going to ask me, where do I work or what do I do? It's not something that I choose to talk about on my channel. This is just my way to show you guys what I tend to do with the extra time that I have. Sometimes if I have to go to work first thing in the morning, then I always like to make sure at least my bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen are taken care of before I head out for the day. So yeah, I just like to use the time that I have to be productive and get things done.
'Cause I remember everything you did and everything I became out of like a no. So why are you doing this tonight? You always know how to get me sentimental. You always say the right things, like you're pushing me away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. You push away, then when I go all in, like you afraid of what might happen if you're trying. I'm already done with this game, so I might just be honest with that. I'm pushing you away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. push away then when I go all in, like you afraid of what might happen if you're trying. I'm already done with these games, so I might just be honest with that. I'm pushing you away then you pull me back in, like emulated, but then you just stop trying. Then you just stop trying.
You and I, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the fact that this will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe. Me and you got that good, yeah, but I'm running like I'm lost in the woods, yeah. I don't really care, cause I just like it here. Me and you can't get enough, no, you know, acted, but I know this is a bluff, though. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe.
So I did have some dishes that I needed to wash by hand because the dishwasher was full. I am going to go ahead and let them air dry because, as I've mentioned in other videos, clearing out the dishwasher is one of Trinity's chores. So she will just take care of all of that when she gets home from school. So I'm just going to get those dishes hand washed, and I am going to be cleaning out my sink using the 409 spray. I was out of my soft scrub, but I have been loving this 409 spray. It's definitely a oldie but a goodie. I have been using it non-stop around the house. And if you guys are wondering about my steam mop, it is a Shark and it is listed and linked down in the description box.
Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again. that again.
So I legit just got home from work. I fed the dogs and now I am about to finish cleaning. I don't have too much left to do. I want to go ahead and vacuum upstairs, wipe down the bathroom countertops, and also do a light dusting in my office, as well as vacuum and steam mop the floors. I hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far. I just wanted to check in because I'm in a totally different set of clothing here, but this is after work. I am on a time crunch because I am going to have to leave in legit 45 minutes to go pick up Trinity from practice. So yeah, that is what I'm about to do. Get the rest of this done. I hope this video is motivating you guys to get some things done before and after work. This is very realistic for me. I did have a half day of work today, so that always comes in handy, and I just like to use my time the best way I can. So it was definitely either going to the gym this morning or cleaning, and I really needed to get some cleaning done, so I just decided, as always, to turn on the camera for you guys. So yeah, if you guys are enjoying the video so far, give it a big thumbs up and let me get the rest of this knocked out, because I can continue to talk to you guys, because you already know your girl can talk, but I'm definitely on a time crunch.
Last night I saw your arms around somebody. I never thought it'd be so hard, yeah. Even though I'm the one that broke us apart, yeah. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Baby, I'm sorry for all that has been. No, I can't let go. Tell me you want something more. Baby, I'm sorry for everything. Come back to me. Tell me, do you think back on how we parted? It wasn't pretty and I'm sorry. Wish I could take back what I said then. I never meant it. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me.
Making the beds is a must before we leave for the day. Even Trinity is responsible for making her bed before she leaves for school in the morning. I just feel like when your bed is made, it does make the room look a lot more put together. It is a form of discipline, in my opinion, as well, just to kind of get you in the habit of making sure that is a way that we start our day. So it's something that I've been doing for a really long time, and it does help me. I feel like I'm in a better headspace, and I feel like I am not kind of all over the place when my bed is made. It may sound crazy, but I really do feel that way. So I did end up doing a light dusting in here because it needed it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and move into the bathroom once I finish vacuuming. I did vacuum in our bedroom as well as the hallway.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat.
Alright guys, so I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Again, if so, please do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. Again, this is very realistic for me. I love to take advantage when I have any extra time to be as productive as possible. I hope that this motivated you and inspired you to maybe do a little bit of something before and after work. And as always, please do not forget to come back and join me for the next one. Bye guys.
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts.